A is for alligator. Giggle, look, he's sliding. Whee, splash. B is for bear. Oh no, your tummy is too big for the B. Push, Mr. C is for cat. Get the dot, get it. Aw, he fell down. So silly. D is for doggy. Dig, dig, dig. Look, he found a bone. Good boy. E is for elephant. Whoa, he's so big and the E is so tiny. Don't fall down. F is for froggy. Ribbit, ribbit. He caught it. Good job, Froggy. Wow, his neck is so long he got tangled in the G. Giggles. Hey. Kangaroo, hop, 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 and look, a tiny baby too. Yay! Ding! Lion, roar. Just kidding, he's a nice lion. Hello, King. Ding! Q is for quail. She's a princess, so fancy on her Q throne. Ding!
S is for it's hard, it's cold, it's you fast, go, and big.
T is for tiger. Jump! Whoa, he's so brave. Go, tiger! Ding!
U is for unicorn. Gasps. It's magic. Look at the sparkles. Ding!
V is for vulture, Vaughn. Who do you see?